Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon. So Polygon is now, Polygon has now reached this target area we talked about, while we already saw 5 waves down as potentially complete yesterday. It hadn't reached the next Fibonacci support area, so it's pretty much there now at 28.4 cents. What we just need to do is to adjust the support region on the smaller time frame. We're still tracking overall lower prices, and I'd still like to see another low. Okay, I mean, not that I want to see it, but it's like that the wave pattern suggests it, because in this decline, which started with this, just on this visual range here, which started with this B wave top, which formed at around 45 cents, right? This decline is only a 3-wave move so far. I haven't seen 5 waves yet, so that healthy 4th wave here is still missing. So I'm gonna watch for a bounce. That could be the bounce that Bitcoin, that should be the B wave on the Bitcoin chart. If you watched my Bitcoin video earlier today, then you will know that I've been expecting a little lower. Also for Bitcoin to reach its target area. I think it's reached now. And then from there, ideally a B wave bounce. Now on the Polygon chart, that could be a wave 4 bounce, but it hasn't started yet. In fact, just as I speak, the downside momentum increases a little bit. And the 28.4 cent level is next support. Below that level, 25.1 and then 21.5 cents. But really, if this is the correct wave count, this 5th wave is now very extended. And it's good. I mean, it's reached the next fib level, but it would be time now to start this 4th wave, unless the structure is a little different, which I cannot rule out because this is a bit of a mess here. But for now, you know, there's nothing wrong with this structure. It works, it has worked, it has suggested lower prices. We see these lower prices right now. And all I would say is pay attention to possible reactions now to these micro support levels that you see on the chart. And there could be a bounce into the resistance area. Now, interestingly, this previous structural support around 35.6 cents, right? If I move that to the right, it might act as additional resistance, structural resistance, pretty much like a break and then retest from below. That could be structural resistance, just like wave 4 in yellow could react to the 50% retracement. That area there could also act as additional level of resistance. So pretty much an overlap between Fibonacci resistance and the structural resistance level. Very important to be aware of that. And it takes a break now above 37.4 cents to indicate that a substantial low has formed. So I need 5 waves up above that level. That's very important, because any break above that level would be a little bit too large for an internal 4th wave. So that 4th wave that you see there, which is expected to be a corrective bounce, shouldn't really extend beyond that 61.8 retracement, and that level will shift. So if the price still goes a little bit lower in the short term, the Fibonacci area needs to move with the price. Okay, so it will go down a little lower. But as I said, we've now arrived at a key support level, so it will be interesting to see if there's any reaction. But I did tell you it's going to be a volatile week, so volatility shouldn't be a surprise. We see a bit of action. That's what we wanted to see this week, but no signal that a low is in place, but we're now approaching support. That's the update about Polygon. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.